Here is the actual root cause of your SI joint pain. You're living your entire life in constant spinal extension, which causes constant compression to the SI joint and the surrounding ligaments. And if you combine that with a high hip, you have a 5-star recipe for SI joint pain on the high hip side. And over the course of time, your body appropriately responds to this constant compression by creating new bone in an attempt to stabilize the area, which doctors call osteoarthritis or degenerative joint disease. Oh, and you're thinking about going down the medical route? Think twice. Legal drug dealers, pain management doctors, they're either gonna wanna just burn the nerves around here so you can't feel how fucked up you are, or just dump a bunch of drugs down your fucking throat so you can't feel shit. In surgery, don't even get me started. They literally get a giant titanium bolt from Home Depot, and what they're gonna do is they just screw it all the way in there to seal that shit down and go, I don't know, you're good to go, I think. You need to learn to reverse what got you into this position to begin with. Hey guys, the path is already laid out for you. Check this out. Look, day 1 to 30, you're gonna improve your back and core, then your hips and glutes, then your knee, ankle, and foot to create better alignment, strength, and everything. You got the community, the support, the people, it's all there. Now go drink the fucking water.